Alberni Pacific Railway is located in the Alberni Valley, in the heart of Vancouver Island, British Columbia, Canada.
Alright, good morning all my friends out there on the internet. Welcome back. Today's video, we got British Columbia Province Technical Safety here. They're gonna come and take a ride on the tracks here and check to see if it's approved to run the train. So you'll see a bit of that today. So cheers my friends, chuck it out. Wow, this is a very historical important moment. First time in 6 years this train has run on a train track here in the city of Port Alberni. Historic for the city and historic for the Heritage Society. So after sitting for 2 years, this thing needs a pretty good wash down. So the guys are on it. We got Ted here. He's gonna do the driving for the safety. Ted Mullet, he's been at this for years, very knowledgeable. A little bit of a warm up. The old Cummins diesel. Oh yeah, there it is. First movement on this train line in 6 years on Vancouver Island. Wow, this is momentous. Now we're going to trade off some cars here. We're going to shunt this car out of the way, and that's what this diesel locomotive was built for. This passenger car here is not serviceable at the moment. It needs a rebuild, so we're just going to shunt it out of the way. Oh, didn't lock. And we're gonna give this a second try, see what happens. There we go. Yep. And here we're gonna push him down the track, out of the way of every other equipment that we have.
Going to do a brake check now? We're going to hook up to that one and do a brake check.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all of them. They'll have to,
That sounds so good.
It's smooth. Old Cummins diesels, eh? You can't beat them. So we got 3 passenger cars here, and we're going to hook up one more. That'll give us the capacity to have 140 people on these runs. On our first ride before the inspectors come, everybody's a little bit nervous and everybody's watching everything. As far as we can go. On our first ride, besides the anxious and nervousness, everybody's smiling away and happy that this is finally coming to fruition. So the city had installed a new train platform here, and we're just checking to see if there's enough clearance at this time. That's good stuff there. We made it. Just checking over everything because it's been sitting for so long. Yep.
They were trying to find. I said, well, when it's up in high level,
Yeah, so very exciting day. Very exciting the first time, and something tied up there. Just an old rope. So yeah, going through breaks, breaking a couple times. Some have new shoes in it, so trying to break those new shoes in, stuff like that. Making sure all the air lines work. This guy stuck a bit, so we had to put air on and off a couple times and use the emergency to loosen it up. Everything's been sitting, like I said, 6 years, so you gotta get things worked in. Some of we lube the bearings and wheels. I think I said that a million times. So some of that is gonna run in, and then we'll have to recheck that after. So, but a lot of getting air and that. Exciting, wow. Perfecto. Wow, nice. Yeah, you can hear the difference when we go over that new track. Just quietens down. Interesting. Getting more noise, engine noise, but from the back I can hear it right away.
Passing the last solo set. It has been demolished. Yard, built in 1911 for the introduction of freight and passenger service in Port Alberni. The yard has been expanded ever since and is now home to the Western Vancouver Island Industrial Heritage Society's fleet of Alberni Pacific equipment.
Now the sun's coming nice.
Stop one.
So that completes the first run of the train. We did our own internal safety inspection and first ride just to check and see if everything is up to snuff for us.
And stop there, Abiola. Stop.
Whoop. Listen. There we come. Inspectors are coming. Doing their deal here. Right on. It's good to see there, my friends. It's good to see. You're going the same speed. That's funny. Thank you. And here we see BC Technical is on board the train, doing their inspection and preparing us for certification to run on the Port Alberni waterfront. And in this last clip, we have a very happy crew, happy that we passed certification. We are able to actually run the train on the Port Alberni waterfront. Very exciting for us after putting in a lot of effort in the past at least 1 year, I would say. So my friends, that means stay tuned to next video because you'll see us running passengers on the waterfront right there to the, I was gonna say right to the left of you maybe because you're on the opposite. Anyways, my friends, oh, we got a speeder behind us. What happened there? I wonder if we should take that for a ride in the future. Well, you never know. Stay tuned, my friends. We'll see you next video. Cheers. Thanks for watching us. Exciting moment. First time, like I said many times, 6 years, a train is running here in Port Alberni. Looking forward to taking passengers out and giving them an experience, especially the younger kids, the future generations. That's what this is about, preserving this heritage for them in the future and giving them something a little bit different of an experience. So anyways, cheers. Stay awesome, my friends. We'll see you next video.